Sure is.
Come on, Sandy. Come on.
What's it called, Granny? Piggy Wiggy. Whoa.
What if we could plan it out? Cabo for a week, Paris for a day, oui. You can come and be my babe, you can see.
It's so dark in here.
You want to change?
No. This side is just different. We don't ever stay on this side. So y'all, we made it to the hotel in Charlotte, and we are on the opposite side than what we're normally on. There's Granny. I want to go see Mama in that room first. We're going to Auntie Mia's house, and then where are we going?
I got to go there, and then I know what Sandy gonna do. Cause she may want to go to the store.
It's stinking. It do? Mama, I have no choice. That's why I drove my car down here. Mama said if I want to drive, I've got no choice. I'm driving Granny around. Me and Granny are true to this, okay? Me and Granny do this every year. Every time we come down here. If only we would got room side by side, we could have had a joint room. Yeah.
I didn't do that.
Mhm.
Start doing that.
Yes, Granny.
I know he had true room. They show me that how many times I was staying in here.
All these years I've been coming here, and I have not been in this gym in so long. But best believe I'm gonna be here tonight and tomorrow morning. For sure.
In the front. But don't. This side
It feel weird.
This side the deal was on. You remember?
I know, yeah.
What we gotta do, Tay?
Go to the fire pit.
She said like she was excited. She said, "What we gotta do, Tay?"
The fire pit.
We don't want to take advantage of.
The fire pit, the bar.
We don't ever take it.
That's because y'all need to start being more adventurous when we come down here.
I don't do anything but sit around.
There's a new bar down here we need to go to. It's a tavern. And they may have line dancing and stuff.
Who's gonna be dancing?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl TaylorLechele, and I'm back at it again with another video. So here's a little context before we start this vlog. We are in Charlotte. Yeah, we've actually been here. I just forgot to pull out my camera and vlog. So when we first got here, we went to this little store. I should have recorded. Last Charlotte vlog, we came to the store, and I was trying to find me some cowgirl boots, but I didn't really see any that I really liked. I saw like one pair, and I may go back tomorrow and get them. And then I took everything out the car that I bought, so I can't even show y'all right now. But I bought a black belt with a huge buckle on it and some American Eagle jeans. Thrifted. So I got me these Nerds. I never had these. I'm not really a candy person, but I got these Nerds. I finally found freaking Got To Be hair gel, because apparently we don't have it in Chattanooga anymore. It's not at the Walmart, it's not at the Target, it's not at Walgreens, nowhere. I'm like, what the freak? So now we are at Auntie Mia's house, and then I think we're going to another store. And then we're going back to the hotel. I'm gonna change, and then I think we're going to Aunt Carolyn's house. I had to sit in the car to get my life together. It is so hot here. It is so humid. I had curls in my head this morning. Where are my curls now? That's the update. I got a slight headache, so I'm about to take Tylenol. Mama's coming back out. I'm trying to sit in peace and quiet.
Dad said you were just get ready to do the cake. That's why she said come in for a second.
Oh, I know. It's not gonna take her long.
Well, I'm gonna sit right here. I'm gonna sit right here in the air.
You're on camera.
Emma,
Yes.
I'm happy we made it here safe.
Yep. I'm just ready to have some fun. I want to explore stuff, and my two friends that like to explore stuff aren't here, and I can't explore by myself.
Yeah.
Y'all, we done had to carry Auntie Pat dress from Chat to Shiloh, and it is hurting.
You gonna hang it up there or wait?
I'm gonna
Do it a little better.
Sorry, Auntie Pat, if you see this. Your dress been through the ringer.
Damn.
Sure is.
Come on, Sandy. Come on.
What's
Go
it
ahead and
called,
get this
Granny?
made.
I'm trying to
Piggy
find
Wiggy.
my card right quick, so I ain't gotta be
Oh
trying
my
to hunt in my
gosh, Lord have
junky
mercy.
purse. My purse is so junky.
The piggy? Wiggy.
Wiggy.
I'm sorry, I went back.
We just seen this man
Which one?
right here.
No, you did.
Yes, we did, because he was looking at me.
Granny,
Yes, we did. He was looking at me in the store.
them right
Yes, yes.
there. You don't know where you're looking at.
It don't make it long.
We not.
They going in this darn Wiggly. Nobody got time for that. Y'all, I'm ready for bed, okay? I'm ready for bed. The sky is black. The sky is literally falling out of the sky over here. It could just be because my tent is dark, but it literally looks like the sky is about to fall out. No, it's definitely... It's about to storm, all right. Oh no, these people tent flying away. Can y'all see? We just left out of the little Roses store. I don't know what it's called. We just left out of there. Should I do a haul real fast? Yes, let's do a haul. Yep, and here comes the rain. Okay, let's do a haul real fast. I really didn't get much. Spent 16 bucks, and this is what I got. So, first bag, I just got me a tropical crayon. I really like white crayon, and I like mango pineapple crayon, but this one's also good. And then we just got this big old bottle of Dr. Natural 100% plant-based pure Castile soap, and this is the lavender scent. This literally smells like Dr. Bronner's, like. And for this big old bottle, oh, we getting it. It was only like $7. Next, I found some disinfectant spray. It's called Zip. And I feel like this is janitorial grade, but it was just $1. So we got it. Some castor oil, and I also got some rosemary oil. And that's all I got. Nothing much. Didn't spend too much because I don't need to be wasting the money that I already don't have. Yeah, okay. I think the storm is passing over us because it was looking scary. But yeah, now we're about to probably go back to the hotel. I'm so tired. And then go to Auntie Carolyn's house.
In due season, I'ma pay back everything you gave, and I mean it. All the tears cried and the prayers prayed, yeah, I need it. All the time sold and the lessons.
Let me go in the rain. In the rain.
I'm trying to be your protein.
Here is my food, y'all. We got some ribs, some chicken, some pork, fish sandwich, potato salad, and baked beans. I'm about to smash down, okay? Smash down. I was gonna eat in the house, but no. I'll just eat in my car. They better hope I don't drive off and take my tail back to the hotel. Because I will do that. Dang, the food cold. Oh well. And it was stuffy in there. As soon as I walked in there, my nose just clogged up. Can't do it. Look, the donkey. And they got a cow. Ooh. Look at the donkey! I hope he don't jump over this fence. Oh my god, I'm scared. Please, Lord, don't let this thing jump over here. Is this a donkey or a cow? Ooh. I'm not sure if it's a donkey or not. That looks like a cow. Whoa!
Yes, he hit the police officer was arrested. Taylor!
I bet you he went to jail too.
The one that didn't break.
Mama, you would never let us get no nose ring.
You can get a nose ring. You can get a nose ring.
I'm pretty sure I did. I'm pretty sure I did.
I'm pretty sure he did too.
I'm pretty sure I did. I asked to get my belly. Mama, I asked to get my belly pierced and a nose ring.
You asked for the nose ring.
I definitely asked for the nose ring. Mama said no. Call your mama.
I swear on you.
You better get fired.
But if you have
That's what I'm like.
but if 15 minutes from the house.
Why you didn't get your ring in?
I don't know, this is bingo. Yeah, they playing bingo up here. My darn camera keep falling up, y'all. Try to take me some pictures out here. This is really nice. Hope it ain't no bugs out here, because I will run. I don't know which way I want to set this up.
He's alright. He's alright. He's a savior. He's alright. In Jesus' precious name we do ask. Amen. Amen. Short and sweet. All right. I guess you just got to The first bite is the only bite that we have to be the very first bite. The very first.
Bubby, say hi to the camera. Right here. Say hi. Bubby, look. At the camera. Don't look at me like that. Look at the camera. Made it back, guys, and I'm so tired. My head hurt. My head has been hurting since Friday, but we made it back. Actually been back. We got back at 6. I had to run to PetSmart as soon as I got back because apparently Bubby is like not eating his food. He doesn't like hard food. He only eats the soft food. He will not eat his hard food. I'm like, dude, come on now. This Shiloh trip was actually really boring. I just want to say that. Normally I have a lot of fun. I have a lot to show y'all. But this time was just really boring. We only went for one day. We stayed for one night. So we really didn't do anything. We didn't go anywhere. We just did the normal stuff that we always do. So yeah, I guess that's going to end this vlog because we didn't really do anything. But I just wanted to go ahead and vlog and show you guys. Just from my memories, you know. But yeah, actually what I might do is put footage from Shiloh to a year ago. Yes, I have unseen footage from Shiloh maybe a year or 2 years ago. And I may go ahead and put that in there because my family was asking like, where's the video? I was supposed to be putting together like a documentary of our family, their roots in Shiloh and all this type of stuff, and we have so much footage. But I haven't had the time to put it together because it's like 4 hours worth of footage. So I may put like clips of that in here. I don't know. If y'all want to see that video, let me know in the comments, because I may or may not put it in this video. If I do, you get bonus footage. If I don't, then be on the lookout. Let me know if that's something I want to see. That's gonna end this vlog. I'm about to get back in his house, make me some food, get his boy a bath because he stank, and get ready for work tomorrow and edit this vlog. So Don't forget, if you're not subscribed, to please subscribe. Press that thumbs button. Give this video a like. Comment down below what you want to see from me next, because I have been posting frequently lately. And don't forget to subscribe. Share this video if you want to. But yeah, if you tune back in, you're already subscribed. Thank you so much for tuning back in and watching my videos. I really appreciate it. And all the engagement that, the lack thereof, but the people that do engage, thank you, thank you, thank you. But yeah, I guess I'll see y'all in my next vlog.
I'm staying simple, I ain't never ever bugging. If I'm doing good, cool, I ain't never stunting. I keep it real, fuck it, y'all know how I'm coming. So if I die, tell the government I seen it coming.